Hi, fourth and fifth graders. This is just here in case you need a little refresher on how to get your marching band show submitted to me. So you are already here. You went to the special site on the bookmarks, and then you went down here and you clicked which grade you were, fourth or fifth grade. I'm going to be a fourth grader today. I chose that I'm an in-person learner. And then the video you're watching is right here. This is where you're hanging out right now. I clicked on Micro Marching League, and it took me to the website that we've spent most of our time on the past few days. You are either currently logged in. If you're not logged in, you're going to click on login, and you're going to choose your username and your password. If this does not pop up for you and you don't remember them, come up and talk to me. I have them written down and I can help you get logged in. I'm going to click login and I'm going to click on design a show. It might tell you you have to judge a couple of shows before you can get in today. That's fine. That's why we've had more than one day. So judge the shows. Remember to give them 10s. After you've done it, go to design a show and get to work. My show is finished. It is 10 sets. I've changed their uniforms, everything to kind of bright colors that I chose, but you can choose what you'd like. And here's what my show looks like. I used a lot of different designs. I changed my set every time I wanted the picture to look differently. I didn't go overboard. I don't have like 50 sets. Just as a reminder, I don't want you to have more than 20 sets. I don't want to watch more than 20 sets. And I know in the time we've had that you couldn't come up with more than that. That's really, really good. So I'd rather you submit 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 sets that look amazing than 25,000 sets that are completely random. So here's my show. It's done. I like it. I'm proud of it. I need to submit it. So I'm going to click on show and save show first. Make sure that everything is saved. It's the last thing you showed me. Then under show again, I'm going to click publish show. I'm going to give the show a title. I'm going to give it a performance name. I'm not going to say anything about it, and I'm going to publish the show. Remember, when you created your account, you clicked a box that said you would be appropriate and kind. So make sure that your show name and your show band and any notes you have to tell me about it are those things. You're going to share this with me, so I get to see everything. So the next step is to click share. Now, we don't have a Facebook or a Twitter page, so we're going to triple click, on micromarching.com, this whole thing here, where I'm going to come down to the end and I'm going to highlight these words. I am then on my keyboard going to click the command key and the copy, the C, command and C at the same time. Then I can close this and I can go back to the virtual music room. You see this little form here. You're going to write your name, and you're going to go down to paste the link, click there. You're going to click the command key again, and you're going to click the letter V, command V. Boom, there's my show. Click submit, and it's been recorded. Once you see this, you are done. You have finished what you needed to do, you have submitted it to me, and you can go on to your next thing. Thank you for doing such a good job. If you need to go back and watch a little bit of this again. The keys to remember, you have to have at least 8 sets. You need to use Control C to copy, Control V to paste. Do your best. Come ask me if you have questions.